how to enable or disable secret message in Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this, to enable or disable the secret message in Messenger, you have to follow these steps. First thing, going to log into your account. Also make sure that your application is completely up to date. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to this field where you have to tap on the try bar icon from the top right and then go to the gear icon. Right on this page, you need to scroll down a bit and you should be able to find this option as secret messages. And when you actually find or locate secret messages, then what you have to do is you just have to go and toggle the button, and then you will be able to enable or disable the secret messages. However, if you're unable to find it right on this page, just like mine, you just exit out of it and then locate the secret message. Let's see, this is the one. Long press on it and click the delete button. When you actually click on delete, then she's gonna be deleted. With that, you've successfully removed or disabled your encryptions in Messenger. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.